The DP. What is up, guys? It's Josh with DepriveD Productions, and we're back in Blender with a 10th modeling tutorial. Now, we used to have two separate playlists, one for Blender 2.79 and one for Blender 2.8, but now we just stick in Blender 2.8 because it's freaking sweet, okay? So we've merged them. We've merged the playlists. So now this is the 10th modeling tutorial total. So let's get down. We're going to talk about edge treatment today. Now, this is a very quick tutorial, and I'll fly through it really quick, and I'm serious. But the thing is, it's something that people overlook, and I want to make sure that we're not doing that. So here's the thing. This box is flat. No big deal. The object itself is flat. You can right-click and set it to flat or smooth. Now, if I set it to smooth, you're going to see something. Boom. Okay? Now, look at the edges. You cannot see them now. You can't see them at all, and it's actually really strange. You know what I'm saying? So you're wondering why? And think about it. There's only one line. It can't smooth one line, and it needs to work with a few there. So when it's flat, that's cool. But if you want that smooth look, you're not going to get it if it only has one edge to work with. So we're going to go back to flat. I'm going to press Tab to go into edit mode. We're going to select the lines. And honestly, we don't even have to select the lines because we're going to press A and select them all, which means it'll select everything. And we're going to Control B. Okay, no, not that. Control B. And now the thing is, you can see us doing the bevel tool. We've used it. We scroll the mouse wheel up, make a ball. I'm talking because I like balls. Now the thing is, we're going to go back down. We're going to go scroll the mouse wheel down, all the way down, and make just a tiny edge here with just one. And then once you get really close, scroll the mouse wheel up one about right there. Boom. Now if I go back into tab back into object mode with the tab button, okay? I got the flat box here. You can see it. Get close to it. Do a little shift squiggly. That way you can WASD around here, but if I right click and go to flat. Oh, let's try it again. Right clicking. Go to smooth. Huh? You see it smoothing that out, bruh? But now it doesn't have that nasty look. It actually looks like a box. I know that's an easy trick, guys, but I'm serious. It can be very helpful, okay? Very important when you're making anything, especially anything with a hard edge like that. Like, check it out. We'll go back to tab. We'll go to the faces. Press tab. Click on this face. Just click on that. Left click. I know it's changed for 2.8. And we will press the I key. If you press the I key, and we can kind of do this move right here. Boom. Okay, we got a little box coming out of a box. Press E, and we'll make it come out of the box. And then we got this extra box. Okay, and we got boxes. Now the thing is, if I press tab and go back into object mode, you can kind of see our problem now. We got the shift squiggly action. It's looking good here, but all of a sudden we can't see our edges anymore here. So that means we're gonna have to go here. Go back into press tab to go back into edit mode and go back, click our lines. So we're selecting lines, and we got to select all the edges, guys. We got to select all the edges so we can treat them. Do a little shift squiggly down here and select a couple more and do a little more shift on the squiggly, okay? And then we keep doing that and select them all. Now we have to select all of them. And you got to think about what actually needs selected. Any edge that meets itself like that on like a, whether it be perpendicular or anything to where the plane has changed direction or rotation at some point. So what we're going to do now is we're going to Control B with all these bad babies. Oh no, I had them all selected. Go back. Now the thing is, oh God, don't do it too much. Make sure you scroll the mouse wheel down. Now let's get a little close to it. Get a little close to it, bro. Scroll that mouse wheel up just one time. Just one time, get one line right there. Boom. Press tab. Now check us out. Now I think we're still. Let's right click. Flat. Yeah, that's flat. I get flat. Okay, the thing is working. We're gonna don't do it. Right click and go to smooth. Let's shift squiggly again now, brah. Look at it. You know what I'm talking about? We got it going on, son. Okay, it looks a lot better than it did. Now, it obviously isn't perfect. I'm just really quickly doing it. I haven't measured anything, but you can do it with anything, guys, literally. Go back to faces here, yeah? Click on the front one. We could subdivide. Right-click, subdivide. Right-click, subdivide. And let's just take these four right here, yep? Let's right-click them, subdivide. Right-click, subdivide. We got all kind of them. Press F. Now we just got one face. I want you to press Shift-Alt-S. And we can turn it into a ball. But it's not a ball, it's just a circle. But I like circles. You know, circles are pretty cool. Now we can take this circle, press E. Oh ho ho ho. You see we got a little circle coming out of it but here's the problem. I'm press tab and go back into object mode. What is that trash? Tell me what that trash is. It's trash, okay? And we're gonna fix it because we don't deal with trash, okay? You're trash. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. We're going to shift squiggly so I can see what I'm doing. We're going to go back to lines. We're going to select the lines and hold Alt and select every one of these. Oh, it's not going to work. It's not going to work, guys. Which means we're going to have to do a little shift squiggly action and go around and don't do that. Select all these bad babies. We can hold CTRL and it'll kind of go around. So I'm going to have to go all the way around here. Okay, you just got to be patient with me because I got to keep it shift squiggly, and I squiggle. You know what I'm saying? It's whatever. You might. I do. It's whatever. I'm going to take this edge, this circular edge, Control B again. And see, it's doing the same thing. You see what we're doing here? And boom, I'm going to take it. I'm going to get about right there. Okay? It's got none. But I want one. Boom, I got one right there. A little smaller right there. Boom, okay? And now we can actually see the thing come out of the thing. Yeah? You already know what we need to do, don't you? Can you see what we need to do? What do we need to do? You already know. Go back to lines. There's one more thing we got to do, bro. Control A or just A to get rid of everything there. And then grab the entire lines of the outside right here, and we're going to bevel those. Yeah, we're going to bevel those. Oh, no. Don't press that button. Control B. Look at it. Look at it. Just scroll your mouse down. We can turn it into a little thingy. Got a little kind of thingies. Scroll your mouse up. Got the bevel. Boom. Just a real nice one. Press tab. Yes, baby. We got a little ball. It's not. That's not a ball. I'm sorry. I don't even know I said that. But we got a there's a button, okay? But the thing is, guys, seriously, you want to definitely, I mean, think about that. Right click, flatten it out. It's cool. You can see the lines, though. We didn't want that. But when we smoothed it out, there were no edges to actually work with our smoothing. So we quickly created them. And if you tab, yeah, we got some faces. You definitely created more faces, but you didn't overdo it. You did the best you could. Why is my computer fighting with me? But the point is, if like I said, let's go back to tab. Let's go back to tab, object mode, right click, smooth it out. I mean, just, dude, it's awesome. That's definitely so much better than it was. And I wish I could just undo the whole thing real quick and go snap, and you see what it looked like before. But I can promise you wouldn't like it. I mean, do it yourself. But yeah, definitely a little edge treatment, okay? Very, very important for anybody to just learning modeling. Really important for any of your edges if you're wanting to smooth things out and make them look kind of more realistic or whatever not. But yeah, just a trick, guys. Hope it helped you. This is Josh again with DepriveD Productions. Thanks for watching our Blender tutorial. This is our 10th one. We're doing a lot of UE4 here lately, so we're just switching it up for a minute. For my modeling users, watch it, have some fun, and you might even learn something. You know what I'm talking about? Guys, hit me up if you have any questions. I'll be talking to you soon. All kinds of cool stuff we're working on, all kind of cool stuff coming. Until next time, peace.